Garbage in and garbage out. Introduction. Aquatic animals get died because of the waste, the garbage which is dumped in the water sources. This garbage and the waste, it pollutes the water in the water bodies. This causes unfit for the aquatic organism. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define garbage, list the methods of disposal of waste, define composting and vermicomposting, describe the process of recycling of paper, describe the disposal of waste and plastic. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Bio means it is living, the waste which can be degraded by the action of microbe, it is called as biodegradable waste. The waste such as household waste, sewage, waste from manufacturing waste, packing items, discarded cars, old television, garden waste, old paint containers. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste, all the vegetable peels and the waste which can be degraded in the soil. Whereas non-biodegradable waste includes plastic, metal and some other waste. Method of waste disposal. The biodegradable waste has to be disposed properly or else it can attract the insects which can cause disease. We can dispose the waste by composting, vermicomposting and recycling of paper. The waste from the house, it is carried through the trucks and it reaches the land which is out of the city or town. There it is get dumped. This is called as landfills. Here the waste are dropped in the trenches and it is covered with the soil. The useful waste, it is covered with the soil and left after for some days. This changes into the color. The black color indicates that it is converted into manure. This manure, it is used in the cultivatable land, which gives a good yield. Vermicomposting. Vermi indicates it is earthworm. Earthworm, we can see this in the monsoon season. It is done with the earthworms. Earthworm have the special structure, gizzard, which is a digestive tube. They don't have any teeth to digest the food. Earthworms survive under the moist condition. And the product from the vermicompost, it is used in the agriculture land. Recycling of paper. Recycling of paper, it can be done with the waste papers, newspapers, cardboard and some other waste papers. The rough papers can be used in the recycling of paper. Now we can discuss how to recycle the paper. So here we need the newspapers and some other waste paper. Soak it in the water for 2 to 3 days. Squeeze it and release the excess water. Crush the soaked paper, get a paste. After that, fill the bowl with water, paper paste in the bowl and stir it well. Immerse the frame of wire sieve in the water submersion in the bowl. Slowly remove the frame from the suspension and steadily place it in the horizontal position. Now separate the layer of the paste from the frame. Wait for the water to drain. Thus we have the recycled paper.